Hi, I'm Carl Case.
My name is Ryan Steinelson.
And man, are we excited to be showing you this video. So a little background, I've been in the digital marketing and messaging space for 11 years. And a couple of months ago, I got my brother here, Ryan, telling me, Carl, I have cracked the code to how businesses interact with new leads, old customers, cold calls, warm calls, you name it. And I'm just so excited for you to get your hands on the ultimate employee.
Yeah, so what we talked about is artificial intelligence using an agent to actually respond to inbound calls.
Appliance service, how may I help you?
Hello, I'm calling because my oven is not working.
Okay, let me get some more details about your oven issue. What exactly is happening with your oven?
What we do at Accelerate Marketing is we primarily work with businesses with one campaign type, which is called Google Local Service Ads. And what we found is that when people call inbound, it's really important, obviously, that inbound call is answered within 30 seconds. And the messages that come through that campaign type are responded to in 30 seconds. If they're not, then what happens is Google actually ranks them lower and they get fewer calls. So we wanted to solve that problem. We set out to do it about a year ago and we've solved it. And it's a really simple and elegant solution and one that we're ready to bring to the market.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, any chance that you come on Monday to take a look at my oven?
Sure, let me check our availability for Monday. We actually have an opening on Monday afternoon around 2 p.m. Would that work for you?
Sure, yeah.
Okay, great.
Long story short, if you have capacity to grow your business without having to hire more employees, we got you covered.
Absolutely.